Practical session. My dear students, take your laptop. Now I am going to demonstrate. So please listen carefully. I am going to demonstrate now. So before going to practical session, just I would like to explain how to download Python software. Very simple. My screen is visible, sir.
Yes, it's visible, sir.
Yeah, Python software. Type Python software. Go to Python. Welcome to python.org. Click this link. Go to downloads. There is a version Python 3.11.3. Please download. I'm downloading in the downloads folder. Now it is downloading. See, it takes only 1 minute. Okay. So now I'm double click that one. You need to select a path here. So I have already installed. First time if you are installing, you can select the path. So here path and modify. Next. Okay. Install. See, I am installing Python software. My dear students, it is very easy to install. Once you select path, then it will give us path where the programs are storing in our laptop. So once completed this Python installation, why do this is for Python for Windows. Python is developed by Guido van Rossum. Python is a object-oriented programming language. Python is a scripting and interpreted language. Python is a case-sensitive programming language. Python can be executed in two ways. IDLE and scripting way, integration, development, learning environment. And Python having data types, mutable and immutable. So Python having loop statements like for loop, while loop. Okay, so now I am going to show you Python programming demonstration. Once successfully completed, okay, then go to command prompt, type CMD. See, now my screen is visible, sir. So type Python. Yeah, type Python. It will show you the latest version 3.11.3. So to clear the console, we are using command like import os dot system of cls. Clear the screen. Now I am clearing the screen. See now? Now I am writing simple program first. Write a Python program, simple program. Then I will execute data science applications. Write a Python program. Write a Python program to perform all arithmetic operations. All arithmetic operations in a single program. In a single program. See here, using static input. A is equal to 3, B is equal to 4, then C is equal to A plus B, D is equal to A minus B, E is equal to A star B multiplication, F is equal to A division by B, G is equal to A modulus by B. Now I am printing, see, print. Okay, so print addition equal to. So what is the output variable? See, A and B are the input variables, C is the output variable. Now I am printing C. See, addition equal to 7. Next, print subtraction. Now use a subtraction. So what is the output variable? D. Now check the value. 3 minus 4, 1. Then multiplication. See here, all of you. My screen is visible.
Yes, it is.
Yes, sir, it is.
Yeah. Then multiplication. E is the multiplication output variable. Now check the 3. 3 times 4, 12. Next, division. Same way you can execute, all of you. Do you have laptops? Hello, my dear friends.
Yes, sir, they
Do
do.
you
Some of
have
them do.
laptop? See, division is 0.75 and modulo division. This is called IDLE execution. Modulo division. So G is the output
So what is
variable.
the difference between IDLE and IDEs?
Yeah. So through IDLE and the scripting way. Now I am moving to scripting way. See here, you need same program. I am executing in scripting way. So ideally you can use PyCharm, Jupyter, anything. No problem. So through command prompt I am executing now. See, this is one way of executing the Python programming. Now I am showing one more way of executing Python programming. So if you want to shift to command prompt, quit. Parenthesis begin, parenthesis close. Now same program I am executing in scripting way. So in order to clear the screen, use CLS. Now notepad space, I'm creating a file name, Chandigarh University, CU. File name is CU. Notepad space, cu.py. I'm creating scripting file, same program. My screen is visible. Please respond. Write a Python program.
Yes, it's visible.
Yeah, write a Python program to perform all arithmetic operations, same program. See, now I am writing all arithmetic operations using dynamic input, not a static input. Dynamic input. See here, I am reading the value a equal to int of input of enter value of a. Okay. Now, b equal to int of input of enter value of b. Enter value of b. I am reading the next addition. C is equal to a plus b, same program. D is equal to a minus b. And E is equal to a star b. And F is equal to A division by B, G is equal to A modulus by B. Now print, the same program I am writing, addition equal to, C is the output variable, then printf, print subtraction equal to B. Then print multiplication equal to E, output variable E. Print division equal to, this is sample program I am showing. Now I am going to demonstrate data science applications. Printf, print modulo division. G. So after completion, control yes, save the program. Now run. See, write a Python program. So now once you save the program, go to command prompt, execute Python space cu.py. See now, my screen is asking enter value of A 3, enter value of B 4. Now check the output. Addition equal to 7, subtraction equal to -1, multiplication equal to 12, division equal to 0.75, modulo division is 3.